The risks of real estate investing. All forms of real estate investing carry some form of risk, and there is always a possibility that you can lose money. While in many ways, investing in real estate through crowdfunding mitigates risks, real estate crowdfunding carries the same general risks associated with regular real estate investing, like returns aren't guaranteed. You could lose all of your investment. Some tenants may have issues paying rent, affecting your profits. There might be an unknown defect in the property that was not found during the inspection or due diligence process that may require investors to contribute additional funds to keep the project afloat. Vacancies, causing the property to not perform up to expectations. Other general risks of real estate include market risk, national and regional. This is the chance of sinking property values based on environmental changes, the economy, competition, and other factors. Changes in demand, input prices, and becoming obsolete due to technological advances all present risks. Liquidity risk. This is if an asset fails to be sold on short notice for its full market value and must be sold on discount. Default risk. If the issuing company is unable to make interest payments or principal repayments on debt. Inflation risk. Inflation turns out to be a higher rate than was accounted for in financial calculations or in discounted cash flow analysis. Systematic risk. General risk for investors can increase because the dollar's true purchasing power from returns is reduced due to war or political change, a risk that cannot be eliminated through diversification. At the same time, many of the hassles associated with these risks are minimized through crowdfunding, because you are in a passive investing position. With crowdfunding, you let the experienced experts work through the problems while limiting any personal liability outside of your initial investment. So that you don't have to, the experienced developers and operators and Tycoon's platform deal with risks like a rude awakening after an underestimation on the cost of repairs, collecting rent and negotiating lease contracts, an accident at a property resulting in a lawsuit, issues with zoning and regulations, all the time and energy it takes dealing with day-to-day management controls like tenant requests, maintenance, and loads of paperwork. Remember that like all investments, crowdfunded real estate investments carry certain risks. At the same time, investors can benefit by using crowdfunding platforms to minimize some risks and eliminate your personal hassles by letting experienced professionals deal with the problems these risks can cause.